Today we're talking about a crucial part of your car's transmission, the torque converter. Ever wondered how your automatic transmission shifts gears so smoothly? The torque converter is the key. Think of it like this. Imagine two fans facing each other. Turn one on and the wind will start the other spinning, right? That's kind of how a torque converter works. It uses fluid to connect your engine to the transmission, allowing for smooth gear changes and effortless driving. But just like any other car part, torque converters can wear out over time. And when they do, it can seriously affect your car's performance. Knowing the signs of a failing torque converter can save you from headaches and costly repairs down the road. So let's dive into the symptoms you need to watch out for. A failing torque converter will often give you warning signs before it completely gives up. Ignoring these signs can lead to more severe transmission problems, so it's crucial to address them early on. Here are some common symptoms to look out for. Slipping gears. This feels like your transmission is missing gears or shifting erratically. Shuddering or vibrations. You might feel a shuddering sensation, especially at low speeds or during acceleration. Overheating transmission. A failing torque converter can cause your transmission fluid to overheat. Strange noises. Listen for unusual whining, clunking, or humming sounds from your transmission. Check engine light. A failing torque converter can trigger your check engine light to illuminate. If you notice any of these symptoms, it's time to pay close attention to your car's behavior and consider getting it checked out by a professional mechanic. Let's break down each symptom. A failing torque converter can cause slipping gears. This happens when it can't transfer power from the engine to the transmission. The engine revs high, but the car doesn't accelerate properly. Shuddering at low speeds is due to worn-out components. These parts cause imbalances and vibrations. A failing torque converter can also lead to overheating. It generates excess heat, damaging the transmission fluid. Strange noises from the transmission are a bad sign. They indicate worn bearings or damaged seals. Early detection prevents serious transmission problems. Driving with a failing torque converter. A bumpy road ahead. Driving with a failing torque converter is inconvenient and dangerous. Imagine merging onto a busy highway, and your transmission slips out of gear, a recipe for disaster. It impacts your car's acceleration, making it sluggish and unresponsive. Overtaking becomes risky, and maintaining speed is a challenge. It's like driving with the parking brake partially engaged. Overheating can lead to sudden breakdowns. This puts you at risk of being stranded or in an accident. If you suspect your torque converter is failing, don't ignore the signs. Don't panic, act smart. First steps to take. So, you've noticed some of the symptoms we've discussed, and you suspect your torque converter might be on its way out. Don't panic. Here are a few things you can do. First, check your transmission fluid. Park your car on a level surface, engage the parking brake, and with the engine running, check the fluid level and condition using the dipstick. If the fluid is low, dirty, or smells burnt, it's a telltale sign that your transmission needs attention. Next, avoid putting unnecessary strain on your transmission. Avoid heavy acceleration, towing, or carrying heavy loads. Driving gently can help prolong the life of your torque converter and prevent further damage. Finally, schedule an appointment with a trusted mechanic specializing in transmission repair. They have the expertise and tools to diagnose the problem accurately and recommend the best course of action. When in doubt, call the pros, your mechanic, to the rescue. Remember, while understanding the basics of a torque converter and its symptoms is helpful, it's always best to leave the diagnosis and repair to the professionals. A qualified mechanic can perform a thorough inspection of your transmission, including the torque converter, to determine the root cause of the problem. They can advise you on whether a simple fluid flush, a torque converter replacement, or a complete transmission rebuild is necessary. Ignoring the signs of a failing torque converter can lead to more severe and costly transmission problems down the road. So don't delay. If you suspect your torque converter is giving you trouble, address the issue promptly and get back to enjoying a smooth and safe driving experience. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.